Hello patrons, welcome back to another tutorial. Now I've just got a quick one here. I'm about to do a halo of diamonds in this gold pendant here. And to get your layout, if you want an exact number and you want them to meet up around and have enough space, but not too much space, a really quick and easy way to do that is to use a beading tool that is the same size as your diamonds. And so these are 2mm diamonds and this is a 2mm beading tool. So I'm going around and just marking each spot, and you can see it, well, you can't really see, but I'll zoom in after to show you, but there's a little ring that it's leaving. And this is just going to tell me where to put my burr to cut so that I know that the spacing is good. So I'm going to go around and mark all of these, and then afterwards I'll kind of do a little close-up and show you what it looks like. But this just is a total game changer as far as getting the layout and making sure that you've got enough space, because once you've cut your seats in, it can be hard to go back and adjust it, especially if you don't have a ton of room between the stones. So I'm just going to go around and mark all of these and then meet up at the other side. So here you can kind of see I've marked out each spot, and so I know when I put this back in the vise and I just take my burr, I can cut in all of those and the spacing will be correct. Now this is really helpful because if you start cutting your seats, there's no way to put the metal back, really, unless you kind of just start over again. So this is a simple trick, but it can really, really help with layout. And if you do the layout and you feel like you didn't space them correctly, the great thing is you can just buff or file this off. These markings aren't so deep that you can't really start over again. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.